Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and join Google Classroom for CUBOT Tab 10. So in order to do this, let's open Google Play Store. Here we want to find an app called Google Classroom. And simply install it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open it. From here, select Get Started, choose the email, then press this plus button, join class, and enter the class code, and then join. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.